So I have a 2007 FJ Cruiser. My dad gave me this car about a month ago, and I took it on a road trip from the West Coast to the East Coast, and I've had it back home for maybe 3 weeks after that road trip. And I'm noticing a sound. I'm not really sure if it was there before, but because I've noticed it, I'm pretty sure that it's a newer sound. So it's kind of like a high-pitched whirring sound. So I'm gonna start the car and maybe you can hear it and just help me diagnose what it is. It's that sound that's higher pitched than the engine. And then I'll take you outside. So yeah, I'm guessing it is the idler pulley from what I've seen on YouTube videos, but if you could confirm, I'd like to try and fix it myself. I just want to make sure I have the right issue to fix. Thanks, bye.